And we're gonna try to climb this. Now it looks small, but this is freshly made snow. And for some people that have ever played on a pile of freshly made snow that the groomer has not touched, you know it's rock hard and it's icy. It's even hard to walk on this. So we're gonna try to go up it now. Hey everybody, Colton Sturm here. We're out at beautiful Mount Ski Gull. They were nice enough to let me bring my side-by-side out here and try to climb their hills. I didn't think I was going to be able to be honest. I figured I was going to spin out at some point. Somehow, they do it great. Got a little load of wood in the back end for people that, you know your wood. We got red oak, we got birch, and we got some pine. Somebody's shooting. Jesus. Somebody's shooting at her, also fireworks, and I'm sitting up here. Anyways, so it climbed these hills easily. Not fast. It's not going to win the Kentucky Derby, but it does it. I mean, it's a workhorse. That's all it is. And I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get stuck. I wanted to get stuck. That's the fun.
Found our limits.
For people that know their wood, we got some red oak, we got some popple. Oh no, fuck. It's the wrong wood. We got red oak, we got birch, and we got some popple.